Listen, Tesla's a sell, sell, sell. You don't want to own this stock. You shouldn't even rent the darn thing. Why? Because beyond the hype, there's just not much going on here. Tesla still has yet to turn a profit. That'll be a $1.5 billion company with no profit. Its most recent quarter actually lost more money than it did the year before, $1.5 billion, losing more money than the year before. This is a company with limited visibility.
In 2008, Tesla was on the brink of collapse, its bank account nearly empty, investors losing faith, and the entire company hanging by a thread. If things didn't turn around, Tesla wouldn't just be a failed startup, it would be the end of the dream for electric cars as we know it. But then, everything changed. How did Tesla go from facing bankruptcy to becoming the world's most valuable car maker? From barely surviving to leading the electric vehicle revolution? Stick around, because this story of survival, risk, and one man's relentless ambition is just getting started. Tesla was founded in 2003 by Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning, not Elon Musk. Their goal? To prove that electric cars could be fast, cool, and sustainable. But they needed money, and that's when a young tech entrepreneur, fresh off the success of PayPal, stepped in Elon Musk. He invested $6.5 million in Tesla, becoming its largest shareholder and eventually taking over as CEO. By 2008, Tesla had launched its first car, the Roadster, a sleek, all-electric sports car that could go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds. But there was a problem. Tesla was burning through cash at an alarming rate. Each Roadster cost more to build than they were selling it for, and the company's future was hanging in the balance. Then, the unthinkable happened. The 2008 financial crisis sent shockwaves through the economy, drying up investment and pushing countless businesses to the edge. For Tesla, the timing couldn't have been worse. With less than $10 million left in the bank and the Roadster facing production delays, Tesla was on the verge of collapse. Elon Musk himself described it as production hell working day and night to save the company. As Tesla teetered on the brink, Musk faced an impossible choice: let the company go under, or invest his remaining fortune to keep the dream alive. Against all odds, he poured in his last $40 million, betting everything he had left. "I was all in," he later said. If Tesla failed, he would have lost it all. But the gamble paid off. In 2012, Tesla launched the Model S, a luxury electric sedan that was unlike anything the world had seen. It was sleek, fast, and most importantly, it had a range of over 200 miles, making it practical for everyday use. The critics loved it. The Model S didn't just change the game, it changed the entire perception of electric cars. It won awards, got rave reviews, and suddenly, Tesla wasn't just a risky startup anymore, it was a serious player in the automotive industry. With the success of the Model S, Tesla's fortunes began to shift. Investors started to believe in the company's vision, and the stock price surged. But for Elon Musk, this was just the beginning. He had an even more ambitious plan: a mass-market electric car that could take on the giants of the automotive world. Enter the Model 3. In 2017, Tesla began production of its first affordable electric car, aimed at bringing EVs to the masses. Demand was off the charts, hundreds of thousands of people placed reservations, and Tesla's stock soared. But there was one problem. Tesla couldn't keep up with the demand. The company faced production issues, supply chain delays, and what Musk called a logistical nightmare. Musk even slept on the factory floor, pushing the team to meet production targets. It was another period of production hell, but eventually, Tesla found its footing. By 2018, the Model 3 began rolling out in higher numbers, and Tesla posted its first profitable quarters. The company had made it through the storm. With the Model 3's success, Tesla's momentum became unstoppable. The company built massive gigafactories around the world, ramped up production, and launched new models like the Model Y and Cybertruck. By 2020, Tesla had become the world's most valuable car maker, even joining the prestigious S&P 500. Today, Tesla isn't just a car company. It's a symbol of innovation, a leader in the global shift towards sustainable energy. But it all started with a near-fatal struggle, a daring bet, and a dream that almost died in a crisis. And that's how Tesla went from the brink of bankruptcy to revolutionizing the auto industry. But this story is far from over. What do you think? Can Tesla maintain its dominance, or will new competitors rise to challenge it? Let me know in the comments below, And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any more deep dives into the biggest stories behind Wall Street.